Hey guys, this is Stiller here, and today we are solving first question of weekly contest 468. Let's get started. So you are given an integer array nums, return the bitwise or of all even numbers in the array. If there are no even numbers, we can return a zero. So this is very simple question. We can directly write code for it. So I can start something like result equal to zero. Okay, this will be my start point. I will iterate over the numbers for I in range, and I can take n as length of nums. So C++, Java, JavaScript code will be in the description. You can definitely check that out if you're writing those languages. So I can write something like, first of all, I need to check if nums of I modulo 2 equal to 0. If that is a even number, I can directly calculate result equal to result or nums of I. And in the last, I can definitely return an answer. Let's try to run this. Okay, it is working fine. Let's try to submit. It is working fine. So thank you very much guys for watching the video, and we'll meet you in the next one. Thank you.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.